Good morning from Vietnam. Hopefully you guys are having a great day, fantastic day in Asia. And everybody in America, you guys are probably winding down after a great day. And yeah, we got a whole bunch of things to talk about before we jump into it. Just want to say big thank you to all my subscribers, members, and moderators on my live streams for supporting the channel and being with me on this journey. Woohoo! Dogecoin to the moon, guys. I'm full of energy. I'm feeling the good vibe. You guys should be feeling the same thing. So, guys, hey, woo, I'm excited. You're excited. And if you're really excited, smash the likes, because some of you are suffering from, smash the like avoidance syndrome. So you guys just got to get over that. And the only way to avoid smash the like avoidance syndrome is smash the like. And some of you are watching, please gingerly tap that subscribe. Don't suffer from subscription or subscribe avoidance syndrome. And guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. This is me just expressing my opinion. So you got to do your own risk management, because it's your money, not my money. So just take care, be careful, watch out for nasty scammers. Guys, oh my MG. Could we be expecting a massive crash in Dogecoin and other cryptos because the inflation news came out? So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how the inflation is going to affect crypto. We're going to talk about the S&P 500, how that's affected, how the inflation has affected that too. We're going to talk about a number of other interesting news articles that have come out in this news cycle and what to watch out for. I'm going to talk about my support and resistance levels. I'm going to tell you exactly where I see Dogecoin going and other cryptos going for the remainder of this week. So you guys got to buckle up. You guys got to stay tuned. Let's jump into it right now. Let's get it. Jump into the content right now, guys, and I'm telling you that the Dogecoin massive collapse, it could be incoming, it could be pending. I'm going to tell you why I think that's happening, and let's jump into the content right now. Woohoo! And before we do that, guys, just remember, check out my other vids. I got lots of other vids. We got the Huge News from yesterday. We got the Apple News. And don't forget to go to my membership tab. And guys, become members. What are you waiting for? Okay, guys. So as you guys, as everybody knows, yesterday we had a huge announcement. We had the inflation announcement yesterday. So that was really huge. And so let's jump into that, and then we're going to jump into other stuff, okay? So as you guys know, that yesterday we had the inflation report that came out, and it's not looking good. So prices rise 5.4% in June compared to last year, and this is the largest spike since 2008. 2008, the largest spike. So this is really not good. I don't know what's going on in the U.S., but things are not looking good with inflation skyrocketing. So it means that the price of goods, services, fuel, have gone up, and because of that, we've seen that yesterday there was a huge dump on the S&P, and that caused all of the markets to go. Dow Jones has gone down, S&P has gone down, and because of that, that also had a spillover effect to Bitcoin. So you can see here, we had this huge, almost 5% drop yesterday in the Bitcoin price due to the negative inflation report. So a lot of people have been kind of concerned and worried about that, and overall, that's taken all the markets down. So what does that mean for Doge? Well, Doge right now is in trouble of hitting a massive collapse. So right now, as of time of recording, you can see right here we have this red candle that has just spiked right now, and we're down almost 8% right now. So we've had a massive flash, and now we're absolutely below my 19 cent support level right now. So we're trading at 19.12. So we've gone below my 19.3 support level. So that's not looking good for Doge. So we could expect a massive collapse, and I believe that we could go down below my purple rain line. So that's not good. If we collapse, if we go below the purple rain line, we could see ourselves having a massive collapse all the way to our next support level at 16 cents. So let's just review those support levels for you guys out there. So as you guys know, that we have We have a minor support of 14. You know, if we go to 14 cents, it's over. We're going back down to single digits. So let's hope that doesn't happen for Doge. We have major support at 16 cents, as I've said in previous videos, and then we have major support of 19.3. Now we've just blown past that, as you can see in the live chart here. So this is not good. This is incredibly bad. Hey, I'm not going to tell you that everything is fine. Right now, as I look at the chart, it's not looking good for Dogecoin. We're seeing a massive collapse coming in. We need to stay above my purple line here. If we cannot stay above the purple line, then we could be retesting my support level at 16 cents. So let's just keep an eye on that. It's not good, guys. It's not looking good right now. But I'm still bullish. At the end of the day, don't panic, guys. And I will tell you why you don't want to panic. And I'll tell you some really positive news right here, guys. So, you know, one of the things that you guys need to look at here, and this is really, really telling and really interesting, is that BTC trading volume plunges to the lowest since 2020. Now, you guys are thinking, oh, this sounds good. This is bad. This is bad. No, what that means is the trading volume has plunged, and the reason it's plunged, is because the whales have taken all the BTC off the exchanges. I've been talking about that. I've been ranting about that. I've been yelling about that the whales are taking off all the BTC off the exchanges. So you can see here that the amount of BTC trading volume has come way, way, way down, and we haven't seen anything like that since December 2020. So here's the thing. Let's go back to the BTC chart. Let's take a look at December 2020. Okay, so if we look at December 2020 around Christmas time, we kind of had this. We kind of had the doldrums. This is where we're at now, right? We had this doldrums, and then in 2020, in December. You start December right here. You see that there was a massive, the trading volumes was extremely low. And then we had this consolidation, and then look what happened. The price exploded, and then this is where we start our parabolic rise, and then we hit 32,000, and then we went up to 57,000. So what I'm saying to you is that absolutely here, the whales know something. The whales are accumulating. The whales are accumulating because we know that there's going to be a meteoric, parabolic rise in the Bitcoin price soon. And I believe that this is going to happen. And we're seeing very similar pattern here as we're seeing here, everyone. And you know, when we have very low volume in Bitcoin trading on exchanges, this is often a signal that we've hit the bottom. Absolutely, we've hit the bottom. We're range bound right now. We're in the doldrums, and the volume is down. We are set to explode, and I believe that the next catalyst, the next huge leg up is going to happen sometime in the fall. So you guys just need to have diamond hands. Don't panic, as always, and just keep calm, guys. All right. Also, another good piece of news out there is Cardano demand rises amongst retail and institutional investors. Why is this happening? So right now, there's a lot of demand for ADA. If you look at eToro and eToro right now, a lot of retail investors are jumping into ADA. So on eToro in Q2, the biggest coin that people were in was Dogecoin. I talked about that, Bitcoin and ADA. So there's really high demand out there. And why is that happening? Well, you know, recently both institutional and retail investors have shown an increasing interest in Cardano. It's fast becoming the coin of choice for investors. And I think Cardano is going to do very big things. And you know, Cardano is a huge coin. Look at the Grayscale Trust. They have bought huge amounts of Cardano in their trust, and this is really amazing. And I believe that Cardano is going to explode. So if you're holding Cardano, hold on to your hats, because Cardano is definitely going to be taking off soon. So we can see that, you know, Grayscale, a known leader of crypto investors, announced earlier that they had included Cardano in their crypto trust. The coin has become the investment firm's third largest crypto holding. So it's the third largest, guys, so they definitely know something's worth 4.2%. So you can see that the Cardano price is also doing some range boundness here as well, and it's following this similar pattern as Bitcoin. So you can see most of the cryptos right now are following and waiting for Bitcoin to explode. We're having this consolidation. We got low volumes, low trading volumes. We got large amounts of Bitcoin being taken off exchanges, being held in wallets. The whales absolutely know something. And as I keep telling you guys over and over again, do the opposite of what the market is telling you. So right now the market is telling you it's terrible, it's over, it's awful. It's telling you to sell. You do the opposite. It's accumulation time. It's time to buy the dips. It's time to accumulate and buy these altcoins and cryptos on discount. Guys, remember that. Second thing, when the market is in euphoric and everyone's excited and everyone's going crazy, this is the time that you need to think about selling. And now, if we go back to the inflation report, remember that the inflation report is huge, because it means that the value of fiat currency is going down, and every year the dollar's value is going down 10 or 15%, where crypto is a hedge against inflation. A hedge against inflation. So if you have cash and you're just letting it sit there, you're losing money every day. Remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just me offering my opinion. So if you move your crypto, if you move your fiat currency into a crypto, like I said, and remember my rules. My investment strategy: 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in big caps, 25% in mid caps. And if you're moving some of your fiat there, you're going to hedge against inflation, and at the end of the day, the value of your crypto is going to go up against fiat, because fiat is losing money. All right, guys. So let's jump into the coins real quick. So first of all, let's look at the market cap right now. So right now, the market cap right now is about 1.383 trillion, and that's down. That is down 2.4%, and then my total volume is around about 76 billion right now, guys. And let's take a look at where we are in terms of the other coins. Let's go over here. So right now we're looking at Bitcoin is down 2.25%. And it's at $32,310. We could be testing 31,000 today for sure. Ethereum has got hit really hard with this inflation data report, and it's down almost 7%. So that's not good. We're well below $2,000, and $2,000 is a major support level that we've just burned through that. So we could be going down as low as 1,600 in the next couple hours, if we don't pull out of this downward trajectory. BNB right now is at $298, and that's also not looking good, and we're minus 5.5%. ADA is down almost 6%, and that's at $1.23. And my Doge is down 6.93%, 7%. And you see, guys, we've blown. Sorry about that. There's a ship blowing its horn out there on the ocean. So I'm sitting right now right near the ocean, because my place is on the ocean. So right now we're blown past the 19 cent support level. So now we're at 18.8 cents. So yeah, we could be seeing a massive collapse to 16 cents really soon for Doge. So you guys just need to keep calm. Don't panic, guys. Have diamond hands of always, and this is really important. All right, guys. So yeah, so we're not looking good for Doge right now, guys. So once again, guys, I just want to tell you guys, be positive, have diamond hands, don't panic, guys. This is not the end. This is only the beginning, and we can see that from 2020 we had a very similar pattern, and we're definitely going to be on the rise. So guys, once again, be blessed. This is not the end of the video, so don't click away. So I love you guys to death. And guys, just on a personal note, just an update. Right now here in Vietnam, we're in serious lockdown right now for 16 days. We cannot go outside. We cannot basically leave the buildings that we're living in. We cannot leave our property. So you're not going to see a lot of beautiful backgrounds going on over here. So it's pretty quiet and pretty much boring. So this is the first time that Vietnam's experienced a lockdown like that in the city that I'm in. So guys, bear with me. I love you guys to death, and yeah, guys, just be blessed. So remember, this is not the end of the video. So guys, let's jump into the rest of the video. Woohoo! Wow. So hopefully you guys are all fired up. You guys understand why the cryptos, why the stonks are going down. You understand where my price targets are is for Doge. And at the end of the day, we are still in a bullish trend long term. This is a microcycle within a huge bull cycle, and we're going to see absolutely Dogecoin hitting all-time highs soon. Dogecoin to $1 is definitely going to be incoming in the winter. In the winter time. So we're going to see that when the snow falls, and typically the snow starts to fall October 31st. When we see the snow fly, we're going to see Doge fly to the moon. I can hear the fuel being pumped into the rocket, preparing for liftoff. Can you hear the fuel being pumped in? I can hear it. So guys, absolutely buckle up. Don't panic. All the wet Nancy's that are wet in the bed daily, because we're basically range bound right now. Absolutely range bound. We're but the whales absolutely know that something's going on. You can see that there's massive accumulation. And remember, the whales always do the opposite of what the market sentiment is. So when the market is euphoric, the whales are selling. When the market is depressed and retailers are like wet in the bed and going nuts, they're accumulating. So swim with the whales, act like a whale, and be fruitful, guys. Remember, buy the dips, dollar cost averaging, and hodl for life-changing wealth. Remember, my 50-25-25 rule, 50% Bitcoin, 25% in big caps, 25% in mid caps. Guys, dollar cost averaging, dollar cost averaging. You guys need to do that. Wake up, guys. Wake up. Stop screaming. Stop yelling. Stop complaining. Stop wetting the bed. Stop being a weak Nancy. Diamond hands. Okay, so one more thing. Smash the likes, guys. What are you waiting for? Oh, people have smash the like avoidance syndrome. Smash it. Subscribe right now. You guys need to subscribe. I'm not kidding. I'm going to jump out of the TV. I'm jumping out of the TV, and I'm going to smash the like for you. And I'm going to subscribe for you. I'm going to jump out. I'm jumping out of the TV. All right, guys? So all of you in YouTube land, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe. I won't say it anymore. Check out my links. Free charting tool down below. Why wouldn't you want a free charting tool? And become members. What are you guys waiting for? You waiting for Christmas? You waiting for the moon to crash into the ocean? Okay? Become a member. Okay? Check out my links. I've got a free NFT tool, beautiful NFT art. You guys check that out. Check. Okay, and other links. So, guys, fantastic. Follow me on Twitter. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. # Doge spreading love. Doge spreading love. Doge spreading love. That's it. Doge spreading love. So don't forget to hashtag that. Send that out to all of your socials, guys. And call to action. Take this video, paste it in your socials. Get the message out right now. I need you to do that. All right, guys. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one. I love you guys to death. I really do. I respect you. I appreciate you. I'm thinking about you, and I worry about you. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Go with God. Walk with God. I'll see you in the next one at 12 o'clock Bangkok time. All right. Peace out, guys.